Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can report spam and fake accounts on Telegram. So when I open my app on Telegram, I need to search for no to scam. You need to click on anti-scam support button. It is a verified Telegram chat. Once you click on it, you need to click the add button and then write the name of the account that is spam and fake. And then after that you need to state your problem with that account. After you have done that, you need to click on the send button and the anti-scam team will delete that account. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.